In this video, we are going to see how we can purchase the services from a cash vendor, which we might be using only for one time. As we can see here, on 12th of January, it says purchase dyeing services from Anderson Dyeing on cash. Let's suppose that our order is big and due to some emergency, we are not taking the services from our regular vendor, which is Shelby Dyeing Mills. Maybe they are working on overcapacity. So that's why we have given some cloth to a dyeing unit, but this is not our regular vendor. This is just a random vendor. So in that cases where you are purchasing the service only for a single time and you might not be repeating it, we don't need to enter the vendor name. Instead, we will enter the services as cash. So let's see how we can deal with this scenario in Delhi Prime. Since we are in the daybook, we want to add a voucher directly. Hit alternate A, hold the alternate key, press A to directly go into the voucher, and we are paying at the same time as we are purchasing the service. On the right hand side, we need to choose the payment, and if you just want to switch it to a single entry mode instead of debit and credit mode, I'll just change mode from here and select single entry so that it's more convenient, especially if you're a non-accountant. So payment, I'll pay it by cash, and I am paying for dyeing services. So I'll just write here dyeing services, and that's it. I'll just mention the amount. Amount is also minor, hit enter. And in the narration, I can mention this Anderson Dyeing so that whenever I want to filter this out, I can easily extract this. Control A. So how will we extract this? Let's say that I want to search this service in this whole transactions. I'll just go to the daybook. Whenever you want to extract this, just go to the daybook, set the period from 1st of January to 31st of January or any relevant period you have. And let's suppose that I want to search only this name in the narration, Anderson Dyeing. It's very easy. Hit alternate F12 on the keyboard. What it will do is it will allow you to apply the filter. Or in the latest version of Tele, you can just press Control F to find. And I'm looking for some kind of thing, but if I paste it directly, I don't know whether it should be able to find it or not. Yes, it does. It does find it. It automatically identifies that I am trying to find something from the narration. So that's pretty nice. But otherwise, what you can do is if you want to specify for something else, you can just go to the advanced filters and then you can search by criteria. I want to search for voucher. In voucher, what do you want to search? Let's say I want to search for narration that contains this text, and hit enter and end of list. And you can also add multiple conditions to it so that you can get more accurate and precise results. So this is how you can filter out anything you want. And that's how we can deal with the cash purchase of services in Delhi Prime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.